Hello students, today we will start lecture 1 mathematics class 5 large numbers. In previous classes you have learned number up to 6 and 7 digits. Now we will see 8 digit and 9 digit numbers. First we will see difference between Indian number system and international number system. Okay, so I have written here place value chart, and we all know that place value starts with the ones place. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Up to here you have learnt in previous classes. Now we have to learn next place value, that means crore and 10 crore. Now let us see, if you will see every place value is 10 times greater than first. That means if you will multiply ones place with the 10, it comes 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. 10,000 into 10, lakh. And lakh into 10, it is 10 lakh. When we will multiply 10 lakh with the 10, it becomes crore. And 10 into 1 crore is equal to 10 crore. By this way we can write the number. For example, I will write number here. See, I have written some digits here, and it seems difficult to read the number, but this place value chart help us to read the number by using the periods. In Indian number system, this is the ones period, and it has 3 digits, so it is called ones period. Now it is the thousands period. This is lakh period, and it is crores period. That means it has 4 periods in which only one period has 3 digits. Now periods help us to read the number. Now we can read this crores period together. That means 34 crore 56 lakh 39,185. It helps us to read the number. One more thing is there. If we will put the comma according to the periods, means 34 crore comma 56 lakh comma 39,000 comma 185. That means when you have to read the number, comma help us to read and write the number. This is the number in Indian number system. That means only lakh and crore, these two words are used only in Indian number system. Now we will see international number system. Here if you will see up to 10,000, both the number system have same names, means ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000 place. But when we are writing 1 lakh, it comes 100,000. After that, when we are writing 10 lakh, it comes million. And for crore, it is 10 million, and for 10 crore, it is 100 million. That means India international number system has periods after every 3 digits or 3 numbers. Now we will see this period. Now it is called millions period, it is called thousands period, and it is called ones period. So I will write the same number here and how to read this. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 9, 1, 8, 5. Same number I have written here. But how to read this number in the international number system we will see. And I have told you that according to the period we have to put comma. So I will put comma after millions period. This is the millions period. It is thousands period, and it is ones period. So 345,639,185. This is the way to read the number using international number system. Only the difference is that when 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, so I will write here. So we can say that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Then 1 crore is equal to 10 million. In this, means only actually their values are same, only the difference in between their names. I hope you have understood. Now I will teach you how to write the expanded form of the given number. So I will write here one number and let us see its expanded form. Suppose 7 crore 35 lakh 63,189. This is the number I have written here, and if you will see, I have written the number in Indian system. If you will see the comma, you can understood. Now first we have to see which is the biggest place value. It is the crores place. That means we will write 7 here, and further numbers are 0, because we have to write the expanded form. Expanded form means we have to write the number along with its place value. Then plus we will write here. Then which is the next number? It is which place it is? It is 10 lakh. So we will write 30 lakh first. After that it is 5 lakh place. So I will write here 5 lakh. Then it is 10,000 place. That means we have to write here 60,000. Then next place is the 3,000. Then we know that 100 means 100th place. Then 8 means 80. 8 tenths means 80. And 1 digit means 9. This is the way to write the expanded form. There are two methods to write the expanded form. You can write in one line also and in this way also. This is called expanded form of the given number. Here I have written place value of every digit. Now we will see what is the difference between place value and face value of the number. So same number, one example I will write here. 6 crore 35 lakh 63,165. If you will see here, 3 number comes 2 times, but their place value are different. If you will see here, it is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what is the place value of these 3? It is 10 lakh, means its place value is 30 lakh, and this 3 has place value as a 3,000, but both have face value 3 only. So both number has face value 3, but there is a difference in their place value. I hope you have understood. Thank you. So in next chapter we will see the next part of this video.